Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and today's video is another vlog, but I recently have a big event in my life. It was a life-changing event. A lot of people say so. But yeah, I recently got married, and a lot of people who are following me on Instagram, they're aware of it because I have been posting a lot of photos and a lot of videos about my wedding. And I have been on this break because of my wedding. I started on 1st October and I took a break from my job, took a break from YouTube, and it was really very relaxing for me because I really needed to focus on one thing at a moment, and it really went very well. So from the beginning of my wedding functions, my wedding was on 2nd November. It's almost a month and a half, and I think I've taken a lot of break. I also became very lazy and I was like enjoying the moment, and that is very important, to be very honest with you guys. And from the day my wedding function started, I started laughing and I started just enjoying it, and it just is going as it is, touch wood. But yeah, this happened, and a lot of stories to share with you guys. I was actually waiting, one more reason that I did not post any vlog, after marriage vlog, because I think my last vlog was in September, because I was waiting for the professional videos from my wedding and reception. That has not come yet, because it's been worked up for songs and stuff like that. So I thought of putting that first, and then I wanted to start my vlogs, but it is taking a bit of time. And so I thought, today I woke up and I thought, I have to vlog, because I was kind of missing this part of my life, which is YouTube. And yeah, that is the update, and that is why I took this break. A lot of people were asking me the difference between before marriage and after marriage, and you all know who I got married to. Obviously, you have seen him in my vlogs. His name is Ankush, and I'm going to introduce you to him in this very particular vlog. But my journey has been really fantastic throughout. Our relationship and this marriage was really one of the beautiful things in my life that happened. I started laughing so much in all my wedding functions that I was not even looking like a bride, because I was just all the time, I was like my teeth out. And also one fun story, जब हमारी विदाई हो रही थी, because in Indian weddings, especially in Hindu weddings, it takes place in night, and आपका विदाई रात को 12 बजे शुरू होती है, that फेराज. तो उस टाइम पे a bride is supposed to cry, not supposed to, it automatically happens, but for me it was not happening. I was just telling Ankush कि हाँ मुझे रोना नहीं आ रहा है, what to do. But yeah, when I saw my mom and dad, during we were just going to Ankush's house, that time I was like, a little bit I had tears in my eyes. But my dad and my mom and my family kept saying me, there's no difference, because you already know his family, you know the boy, and we are close, and what difference is it going to make anyways. So yeah, I think that was very that was the reason I was not feeling like sad or anything that I'm getting married and I'm going to leave my home, because it's not the case these days. And also Ankush's family is very supportive, and I know them already before marriage, so I did not feel difference. Even on the first day when I entered their house, I felt very familiar and I felt so happy. And so when people are asking me, was there any difference, I'm like, no, I did not really feel it, because I felt the same. And yeah, that's been going on, and we are in Jammu because after lockdown we came here from Bangalore, and since I think it's been 6 months that we are in Jammu for the first time in 7 years. It's been 7 years that we are in Bangalore. First time it happened that we are here in Jammu for such a long time, and I don't feel like going back to Bangalore, because I'm just so much used to this environment now. The only fact is that maybe winters hain, and I'm not used to be in this kind of winters. I'm really feeling very cold, but it's really fun. Winters are one of the best weathers you can ever enjoy. Summers are a little bit, it just is not that good, obviously you all know, but winters are good until unless you're like fully covered, and then you can enjoy this weather. And I'm also enjoying this weather a lot. And today it's not sunny, नहीं तो हम धूप सेक सकते हैं बाहर बैठ के, बट आज थोड़ा सा कोल्ड है, थोड़ा क्लाउडी है, तो आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग इनसाइड एंड यू नो टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज. But I'm going to like I am right now obviously in Ankush's house. I'm going to give you a little bit of house tour, then I'm going to introduce you Ankush. I'll start vlogging like I was doing before, maybe day in my life. I also have started my job, so I recently changed my job as well, and I did this online joining, you know, a very new thing for a lot of people. A lot of people are joining online. I am in IT and it has been very smooth so far, and yeah, that is going on. So a lot of things changed in my life. I got married, I shifted my company, and yeah, I also changed my house, but I often meet my family. They're very close to Uncle's house and like my house, but yeah, this is the update as of now, and yeah, let's go and I'll show you the house. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to show you the ring that I have. So I really love this ring. I really wanted exactly like this and I got it. And I'm going to introduce you to Ankush, my husband now. So Ankush, hi.
हेलो हाय.
कैसा लग रहा है आफ्टर मैरिज?
मेरे को तो
मैं
अच्छा
तेरी
लग रहा है.
सेवा कर रही हूँ कि नहीं?
सेवा? वो क्या तुझे पता भी है सेवा क्या?
Okay, show the ring. Can you guys see? This is our ring. Are you happy getting married to me?
वेरी मच.
We both are very happy. Okay. So यहाँ थोड़ी लाइट अच्छी है. It's really better. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे vlogging करना भूल गया है. But तो the plans for us to go to Bangalore, we are not yet confirmed. We are not sure when are we going. Probably Jan end or maybe in Feb. I don't know yet, but I'll let you know in my following vlogs. But right now we're really enjoying our time here, and yeah, that is one of the updates. Yeah, that's all, and this is me, all married, and we are not sure when we are also, you know, going back to offices, even if we go back to Bangalore, because we have to, you know, look for a house where we can live together now in Bangalore. So about offices, not sure yet, but let's see. Right now also I want to show you one more thing. Cute room heater my dad gifted me. It's very light, तो पहले मुझे लगा था what a toy it is, but it's really very effective. तो ये हमें थोड़ा, you know, help कर रहा है to really warm. And yeah, I'm going to give you a quick house tour. Okay, let's go. So this is basically Uncle's house. The gate is open. I think my mom is out. The decoration is still on. And that is my room from where I just came out. This is the drawing room, and this is the front area of the house, and this is the main door. Okay, so this is the drawing room actually. So it's really cloudy, so you can't see anything much. And this is the puja room. It's very beautiful. And this is the washroom. This is my room. Mom and my dad, like Ankush's mom and dad, they have this beautiful garden and they have everything. Like ये पपाया का पेड़ है. I don't know, जम्मू के लोगों को पता होगा. ये कंडोली एक वेजिटेबल है, that is there. ये बहुत सारी मिर्ची है जो मैंने खाना शुरू कर दी है. Then they have beautiful plants like this and some more mirchi. And then some more mirchi. Then there is this flower, गुट्टे का फूल. And दिस इज़ ये लगाट का पेड़ है, ये लीची का है, एंड दैट इज़ आम का. ये बहुत छोटा है, बट या दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. एंड या राइट हियर इट्स तुलसी. वी प्रे टू तुलसी, एंड always, have a puja and then हम जोत जलाते हैं यहाँ. Okay, I just got this parcel from Myntra. I ordered a lot of sweaters actually और one by one करके आ रहे हैं. ऐसे इकट्ठे पार्सल आ जाए तो it's happiness. But let's just see. Okay, this is the sweater. बैंगलोर से जब मैं यहाँ पे आई तो आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी क्लोथ्स, विंटर क्लोथ्स एक्चुअली. तब जून में आए थे, इट वाज समर्स, और एकदम से अभी अक्टूबर के बाद विंटर्स. सो आई हैड टू ऑर्डर लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, आई हैड टू बाय लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड bunch of sweaters and so that I stay warm because I really feel थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही cold like than usual people do. This is how it looks. It's going to keep me warm. I can wear a jacket on top and this is not like मैंने smoothing या keratin कुछ नहीं किया है. कल एक function था and I just straightened my hair. That's all. I still have the same old messy curly hair. You probably will see next vlog. But this is what it looks like. This is our life, work from home. And today is Monday, so it's really really gloomy. अभी यहाँ लाइट इतनी है नहीं, बाहर क्लाउड्स हैं और आज मेरी शिफ्ट है. लाइक आई हैव टू वर्क. सो आई एम इन ट्रेनिंग बिकॉज आई recently joined this new company and I have a little bit of work to do which I'm going to do probably, and I think I'm going to end my vlog right here because there's nothing much that I'm doing today because I have this afternoon shift and I have to work, and that's all. And please go on Instagram Akanksha_YouTube. You can watch my videos, and I think not the videos, actually they were in the stories. You can see my photos that I have posted of my reception and wedding. I'll see you in my next vlog or next video, and I hope you guys are doing well and are safe, and I'll see you. Bye.